Check this out, guys. We got a major storm cell moving into the city here. It is right now Thursday, June 19th, 2025, approximately 6:43 p.m. Eastern Canadian time. And I was just flying my drone here, trying to get some shots of the old port clock tower here. And as I rotate my drone towards the west, I notice the sky is completely pitch black. And now we have the system, the cell about to move in here. This could be a big one. Look at this, look at the cloud boundary right there. Do you guys see that? This is going to be a major cell about to move in here. We're probably going to get some really strong winds and some very heavy rain. But look at that, you can see the boundary of it, the entire boundary of that cell. That is incredible. Yeah, this is just the beginning of the rain. But look at that right there. You see that? That's your boundary. And over there we got some clear skies. Let's find some shelter here, because it is going to pour. That cloud is full of water. I mean, really full of water. Alright guys, so I don't know if this is going to do it, but we'll see. Now here comes that boundary. Not sure how large this cell is, but see, we have to the south clear skies. Now we are under a severe thunderstorm watch, it is worth mentioning. Haven't seen any lightning produced here yet. There's the old port clock tower right there. I was going to do a photo shoot with the drone. So there's the old port clock tower. I was going to do a photo shoot with the drone, but as you've seen in the beginning of this video, the drone caught something else, which is that boundary moving in here. Now here comes the wind. I wonder if we're going to get potential microburst here, similar to the one in NDG that we saw recently a couple of years ago. Alright, so I relocated here facing towards the east now. Let's see if I can get a bit of shelter here. I'm waiting for some lightning, potential lightning activity, but I don't see any right now. But look at those bands of rain, precipitation down there, right to our east. That's of course the Jacques Cartier Bridge directly to our east. So it looks like a small but intense cell. Here comes the more heavier rain. There's the wind. You can see the Canadian flag. But it was really amazing to see that boundary of this cell here. And there comes some wind, more wind. Oh yeah, here we go. I'm not saying we're going to get a microburst, but we do have the ingredients for a microburst. So all that humidity and moisture that's been in the air the last couple of days, creating these large cells of rain and storms. That flag up there is a good idea of what the wind is like, also the direction. Hoping we get a bit of lightning here, but I'm surprised we haven't, or thunder. Oh, there's a fire boat down there, fire rescue boat, probably patrolling the old port, the waters. So if you look carefully, you can kind of see the sky's slowly getting lighter again. So this was probably a small but somewhat intense cell. I was hoping for more intense wind and rain than this, but this will do. I mean, it's good footage. And depending on what the sky looks like on the other side, to our west, we may get a really beautiful view of the sun. Maybe even a rainbow. But as somebody that really loves meteorology and weather, the coolest part of the video, in my opinion, was that boundary just moving right towards me earlier in the video. Yeah, so it looks like the rain is calming down a little bit. So I literally brought the drone down about not even a minute before this downpour started. Yeah, it looks like the rain is starting to dissipate. It's actually debating going to the splash pads, the sprinklers that they have in the parks there to cool off, but I don't need to do that now. Nature provided me with a nice freebie here. You can see some clearing. I think it's calmed down enough. We can go check out the sides here, the west and the south. Oh yeah, there you go. Do we have a nice clear sky over here? We still got precipitation. And yeah, the bugs are out, as you can see. Rain is really falling gently now compared to just a few moments ago. So yeah, no thunder, no lightning, but we did get some pretty decent wind gusts and moderate rain. But it was pretty cool to see that. So, and you guys saw in the beginning of the video where the drone was able to capture that front way in the distance, that dark gray, and then suddenly get on the ground here. The rain just picked up. So, alright, so hopefully you enjoyed that, guys. Maybe we will get a thunderstorm at some point tonight. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. More videos to come.